Natural gas operator seeks liquefaction process license for deep commitment and long-term relationship. Non-smokers only. Must love dogs. It sounds weird, but let's face it. Your LNG facility is going to last longer than many lifelong marriages. When you get into a relationship, you have to find out all about the other person. What are their friends like? Where'd they come from? Who are their parents? After all, the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. Which brings us to the optimized Cascade process. It's a liquefaction process, check. So how do you know if it's the one? Well, you may not know it by name, but it's been around a while. The first LNG plant to use the optimized Cascade process went online in 1969 in Kenai, Alaska. At the time, the world's largest LNG plant and the first to serve the Asia-Pacific market. Almost half a century later, it's the second most used liquefaction process in the world, in plants from Corpus Christi, Texas to Curtis Island, Australia. But what makes it so popular? Well, a big part of it is the process itself. To put it in a nutshell, it's tested, flexible, and efficient. With 25 trains licensed at 12 plants in the last 46 years, we've proven optimized Cascade process facilities can be designed and built for a broad range of ambient temperatures and feed compositions. Featuring a 2 trains in 1 configuration, yielding approximately 95% plant availability, our plants are easy to start up, shut down, operate, and maintain. With a fast startup cycle and a wide operating range, the optimized Cascade process gives you more flexibility in operating your plant. Throw in all the available integrated design options, and it becomes obvious that the optimized Cascade process is a solid, proven process that can do the job of liquefaction and do it in style. But the optimized Cascade process is more than a what, it's a who. The optimized Cascade process is ConocoPhillips. And that means the things that define ConocoPhillips as a company also define the optimized Cascade process. That all of our resources and experience come to bear. That it's not just what we do, it's how we do it. At ConocoPhillips, relationships are as important as the work. With more than 5 decades as a global and innovative leader in LNG technology, ConocoPhillips is committed to delivering high-quality standards of performance for LNG plant design, startup, and ongoing technical operation services. Our technical capability and experience in developing LNG facilities, shipping remote natural gas to market using world-scale LNG technologies, and promoting LNG sales in new markets uniquely enables us to support our clients. They depend on our proven optimized Cascade process and expertise. So we care for their LNG facilities around the world the same way we own and operate ours. And ConocoPhillips' expertise and experience developing LNG projects enables us to work with the most accomplished contracting firms, giving you more EPC contractor choices. We know that getting involved early in the life of a project has an important role in driving a project's success. Being there at the start helps us to proactively collaborate with you and your EPC contractor through all the phases of your project. Like in any good relationship, it's all about communication, early and often. And the results of all that talk can lower costs, shorten schedules, and make sure you achieve everything you set out to do with your project, with the quality you deserve. And as always, ConocoPhillips' commitment to safety is paramount. Our technology, processes, and procedures, our people and their commitment ensures safety excellence on all our projects. The optimized Cascade process is a proven technology in use all over the world, but just as importantly, ConocoPhillips stands behind it with all its resources and experience. You may be building your plant for years, but you'll be running it for a lifetime, and we'd like to propose a solution. Because when you're ready for a long-term LNG relationship, you'll see we really are the one. The optimized Cascade process is ConocoPhillips.